biggest moth I ever saw. I thought it was a hummingbird that had gotten caught in this room, but no, it's a moth. Just so you can see the size of it. There's Romy's head. There's the moth. It's huge. I'm gonna let it out now. Oh, dang it, Romy! Romy, don't get it. Nowhere to go. Romy! Don't kill it, please. I've let it out now. And look at it, it's up there on the wall. It's monstrously huge. It really was bigger than any of the hummingbirds I've ever caught. It's a little shocked, I think, from being held by me. It was strong too, and it was fighting to get away. It was hard to hold on to. It was just like a bird. It's flapping its wings like crazy. Hey you! You're kind of amazing.